guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to simply render a PNG GFX, also known as a transparent GFX. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and a subscribe, and let's go ahead and hop straight into today's tutorial. So as you can see, I already have my rig set up right here. If you do not know how to do this, make sure that you check the description for the link to my how to set up your rig video. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on to the video. So I'm going to start off by adding a camera by clicking on Shift A. And it's going to bring up this box, and we want to click on camera, and then we want to adjust the camera. After I have my camera where I need it to be, I'm going to go over to this list of icons, and I'm going to click on the second option, and I'm going to scroll down to where it says this drop down menu right here, and I'm going to click on it and change that to PNG, and then I'm going to change the color to RGBA. And that will stop it from having a black background. And then I'm going to click on the first icon that is called render properties, and then I'm going to click on that and go to film and change the film to transparent and make sure that is checked, so that if I go to the third viewport, it will have a checkered background just like that. Then from there you can choose your lighting to be ambient occlusion or an HDRI. And that's pretty much it. And then you just go to render and click on render image.